Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English Speaking. Hey, Arjun. Today's topic is super fun. Tell me about your best friend.
Oh, my best friend. His name is Rohan. We've been friends since school. He's the kind of person who always makes you laugh, even on your worst days.
That sounds amazing. What does he look like? And what's his personality like?
He's tall, has curly hair, and always wears a big smile. Personality-wise, he's very energetic, kind, and super supportive. Whenever I feel down, he's the first person I call. He's also a bit crazy. He loves adventure and trying new things.
He seems like a great friend. What do you two usually do together?
We play cricket every weekend, watch movies, and sometimes just sit and talk for hours about life, dreams, and even silly things. Last month, we went on a short trip to the hills. It was unforgettable.
Wow. Do you have any funny memories with him?
So many. Once during a school function, he forgot his lines on stage, but started singing instead. The whole audience was laughing, but he owned it. That's what I love about him. He never gets embarrassed easily.
He really sounds like a true friend. What makes someone your best friend?
For me, a best friend is someone you can trust completely. Someone who celebrates your success and supports you during failure. Rohan is that person. We don't need to talk every day, but whenever we meet, it feels like no time has passed.
That's beautiful. Now it's your turn. Tell me about your best friend.
Okay, now you tell me. Who is your best friend? What do you like most about her or him?
My best friend is Priya. She's like a sister to me. She's very caring and always listens to my problems without judging. We love shopping, eating street food, and gossiping about movies.
Nice! Do you think friendship is important in life?
Absolutely. Good friends make life brighter and easier. They help us grow and feel less alone.
I totally agree. Friends are the family we choose.
Thank you for joining today's English conversation practice. Now it's your turn. Talk about your friends with your partner.
Listen carefully, speak confidently, and improve your English every day.